In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get backlinks with Semrush. First, go ahead and log into your Semrush account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with several icons. Hover your mouse over the magnifying glass icon. A submenu will appear, and under the link building section, click on the option called Backlinks. This is where we'll be doing all of our analysis. On the backlinks page, you'll see a field where you can enter a domain or a specific URL. This is where you type in your competitor's website or a particular page you want to study. Enter that domain, then click on the Analyze button. Semrush will now start pulling a backlink analytics report. This can sometimes take a little while, especially for larger sites, so just give it a moment to load. Once the report is generated, you'll land on the Overview tab. Here, Semrush gives you a big picture snapshot of your competitor's link profile. You'll see the number of referring domains, total backlinks, estimated monthly visitors, organic traffic, outbound domains, and an overall toxicity score, among other metrics. Take a second to absorb this, because it tells you how strong and healthy their backlink profile is. Next, click on the Referring Domains tab. This is one of the most useful sections for finding backlink opportunities. Now you're looking at a list of websites that link to your competitor, along with an authority score for each site and the number of backlinks coming from them. Think of this list as a map of potential sites that could also link to you, if you approach them with the right content or offer. From here, you want to look for patterns. Go through the list and notice what types of sites consistently show up. Are your competitors getting links from blogs, business directories, news sites, podcasts, or resource pages? When you scan enough of these referring domains, you'll start to see the same categories repeating. Those patterns tell you which strategies are actually working in your niche. Now, drill down into their best backlinks. Click into individual referring domains or specific backlinks. Pay attention to what content on your competitor's site actually earned those links, why it might have been attractive to link to, and how the link appears on the page. Is it part of a list, a quote, a case study, or a guest post? This helps you understand what you need to create to attract similar links. If you want to save this data, you can export it. Look toward the top right of the screen for the export button and choose your preferred format. This is optional, but really handy for building outreach lists or sharing with your team. And that's it. By following these steps in Semrush, you can systematically uncover backlink opportunities and start building a stronger link profile for your own site.